Okay, when you're ready to do your grid on your actual photograph, the first thing you need to recognize about your ruler is that the measurement does not start at the end of the ruler. Your measurement starts wherever the 0 is. So the first thing you want to do is find your 0, line it up with the edge of your paper, and make a mark at every inch across the top of your paper. Slide your ruler down, line your 0 up with the edge of your paper, make your marks at every inch across your paper. Turn your paper sideways, line your ruler up so that your 0 is at the edge of your paper. Repeat the process all the way around the edge of your paper. Now, it's okay to do your portrait marks and your portrait lines using, or at least do your portrait marks using a Sharpie. I'd like you to do your lines using a pencil, but sometimes it's hard to see the marks on the printed portrait if you draw the marks with pencil. So if you make the marks with Sharpie, sometimes that makes it a little bit easier. Then you're ready to basically connect the dots and make your lines. So you're going to line up your mark with your mark, hold your ruler in the middle so that it does not slide as you draw your lines. Line up your marks, hold your ruler, make your lines. You want to draw your lines nice and dark, pressing down nice and hard on the photograph. On your drawing paper, you do not want to press down as hard. On the drawing paper, you're going to want your lines to disappear, but on the photograph, you're really going to want to be able to see your lines, because that's what helps you to be able to draw your gridded portrait. So you're going to go across, make all of those lines, then you're going to make your vertical lines. I'm just going to turn it this way. Line up my mark at the top and at the bottom, hold my ruler in the middle, draw my line. If you don't hold your ruler in the middle, what's going to happen is that your ruler is going to slide and your lines are going to be crooked. And if your lines are crooked, your portrait is not going to be in correct proportion. All right, once you have all of your lines drawn, then you have to label your picture. Going across the top, you're going to write letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay? Down the side, you're going to write numbers. So in box A is also box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And if you need to go over those with Sharpie, you can do that if it's hard for you to see them. So now I know that his left eye lies in box C4. Part of it is in box D4, but what I can see here is box C4 is most of his left eye. And that's how you draw it. You're actually drawing it box by box as you go along.